rewind the script here. So they're going onto your website and they're saying, I'd like to see a demo.
Yeah.
And this is happening how? A chat or an email, or how is this happening?
No, there's a place that says, you know, do you want to try the system? Yes. And they put the name, the phone number, the email, and they click send, request demo.
Okay, and then what are you doing after that?
I reply today, saying normally during the same day or next day, saying I got your information. What can I get information on?
Okay, but they put their phone number in, yes?
Yes, they do. Yeah.
Okay, you know what I'm going to tell you?
I do that after. I wait one day, they don't reply, then I call them.
Why?
Because I need to say something to Matt, so Matt can tell me I'm doing wrong. I should call them.
You're not doing it wrong. You're not doing it wrong, but you're killing yourself. You're doing it exactly how everybody else does it, okay? Less is more. We just talked about this on another live. I think 2 of the people are on there from it. Less is more until it crosses over into lazy, okay? Less is more until it crosses over into lazy. For example, making cold calls is better than walk-in visits. Why? I can make 27 skillful phone calls in the time it takes to find a parking space to go into one cold walk-in appointment. We're not going to get into that. Less is more until it crosses over into lazy. When somebody fills out a request and says, hey, I'm interested in this, I want to see a demo, and their phone number is in there, immediately, don't wait, okay? This ain't high school anymore. This ain't middle school. There is no dance, no DJ. You're not going to have to wear a cummerbund, put on a tuxedo, or for the people who like to wear dresses, wear a fancy dress. Nobody's asking anybody to prom. You don't have to play it cool. Forget the dating advice that your older brother told you when you were 12. You don't have to play it cool, okay? You don't have to be monogamous. You can date everybody in sales, which means, hell yeah, get on it right now. Right? As soon as that lead form comes in, even if it's on a Sunday, as long as you're not going to get divorced making calls on a Sunday, I'd grab it. And I would say this, hey Matt, it's Phil with Acme, right? Hey Matt, it's Phil with Acme. Wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed. On it. I just put that form in 2 seconds ago. Awesome. What can I get you information on? Right? Yeah, I mean, I liked what I saw on the website, was hoping to see a demo. Terrific. What research have you done on us? Well, I just poked around the website. Now, Phil, I'm going to forget what you do. What's your biggest reason for needing to manage your materials? What's your biggest reason for needing to manage your materials? Great question. Our inventory is all screwed up. When you say your inventory is all screwed up, can you give me a specific example? Yes. I sell granite countertops. I sold the same damn countertop to 13 different people last month. That was not fun. I had to pick one winner, chicken dinner, and then call 12 people and told them I don't have the product. Not cool. I don't want to do that anymore. How often does that happen? All the time, Phil. All the time, which is why I'm spending my Sunday checking out your site. Awesome. Hey, so now if you were able to manage that inventory, is this a situation where you just don't want to have to make those calls, or is this a situation where if we could skillfully manage your inventory, you guys could expand the business? No, definitely I want to expand the business. Sword and Shield, where are you at right now? We're about a $3 million company. Got it, 3 million. Awesome, congratulations on that. Where do you want to be? We'd like to be a $5 million company. When do you want to be a $5 million company? We'd like to do that over the next 12 months. Awesome. Hey Phil, based on everything that you're telling me, you seem to be a perfect fit for our inventory management system. It's very simple. I can shoot you over the contract right now. It's a simple install. We help you with that, and then all of a sudden you're going to know which products are where they're at, who they're spoken for, and you're not going to be overselling things, and then you're going to be able to look at where the weaknesses in your supply chain are and put you in that best possible position to go from 3 million to 5 million. Does it make sense to get you access to the application? No. What's a good next step then? Well, I'd like to see a demo. Perfect. In that demo, what's most important to you to see? Well, I just want to see how I would be alerted so I don't sell the same counter, the same piece of granite 12 times. Awesome, makes perfect sense. You want to knock that out right now? Yeah, sure. Hold on, let me share my screen, right? Or let's say you have to schedule it. Listen, I'm back to back on scheduling these. Everybody wants ours. I'll make it happen. What time's good for you? I can do it Tuesday at 1. Perfect. I'm going to shoot you over an invitation for Tuesday at 1. Again, I am back to back. We're super slammed. We've been growing like double digits every quarter. I will make this demo happen. If for some reason that I'm running late to the Zoom, which I won't be, but if I am, we're talking a couple minutes. What's your mobile number, Phil, so I can text you and just let you know I'm running a couple minutes late so you're not kind of sitting there wondering where the heck I am? Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate that. It's 720-660-3202. Awesome. Along those same lines, if you're running late to the Zoom or you can't make it, would you please let me know? Shoot me a text on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Perfectly okay. Just let me know so I'm not rushing the other client off of their call with us and you're not going to be there. Fair enough? Yeah. Now nobody's ever going to ghost you on your demos. So much content out there on what to do when somebody ghosts you. Just don't make them ghost you. The way to not make them ghost you is to say, I'm super slammed. Everybody wants to do business with me. I won't be late to this demo, but if I am, which I won't be, we're only talking a couple minutes. What's the best number for me to call you and let you know or ideally, what's the best number for me to text you and let you know I'm running 2 or 3 minutes late so you're not killing yourself trying to get on the Zoom and you're not wondering where I am when I'm there. Yeah, awesome. Man, I really appreciate you guys scheduling me for this. I mean, no problem, right? It's what we do. It's what we do. My mobile, 720-660-3202. Awesome, Phil. Hey, along those same lines, if you're running late or you can't make the meeting, which is perfectly okay. Again, we're slammed. Will you just please give me a text ahead of time so I'm not trying to rush the customer in front of you off of their demo so I can get to you with you not being there. Nobody will ever show up late again, okay? I just gave you 10 different philosophies there. But to circle back to your original point, Phil, call them. Because when you call them, you can say, I wanted to reach out to you personally. Make sure my people got you all the information you needed on our whatever it is. I think it has something to do with inventory management. Boom! There we go.